Naka-open.
Okay na, sir. Kanina, ako rin nag-video eh.
Ah, o siya, ikaw muna na, saglit lang.
Red foul. Who's foul, Red? Lost ball.
Muna punta ka rito tayo. Bibidyo kita.
Okay, Jimenez. To Hilera. Hilera on the out. Hilera. To Jimenez. Jimenez. Very good. Rebound number 21. To number 22. To number 21. To Bunyos. No good. Rebound to Alitre. Alitre the dribble. Alitre to Jimenez. Jimenez. Up. Up. Number 22 the dribble. Number 22. Rebound to number 21. 2 points for number 21. For the dark green. Alitre at the dribble. For the green team. Alitre. To Hilera. No good. Red. Number 31. Dunyo foul.
May bibidyo kita.
Yes, to Chan. Chan. It's good. 2 points for Chan. For the green team. Green team. The score is 4-2 in favor of green. No good. Okay. Red. Green ball. The time minutes, that's 9 minutes and 4 seconds. Score is 4-2 in favor of green team. Jimenez. Hilera. Hilera the spot to Alitre. Alitre, the dribble. The same ball. Alitre, Jimenez. To Alitre again. Alitre, the spot, no good. Rebound to Nyon. Togiano. Number 22 on the dark green. Pass to Dunyo. Dunyo. To Torne. No good. Rebound Dunyo. It's the same ball. 9 minutes and 4 seconds. The score is 4-2. Dunyo. To number 21. Number 22 on the spot. No good. It's a green ball. Alitre. Alitre on the green ball. Green team. Alitre. Yan, kapapasa. Pinasa ko yung Lera. Jimenez. Jimenez. No good. Rebound to Luis Reyes. Luis Reyes. To Jimenez. To Cham. Up. Rep. First foul. Number 21.
Kanina ako, cameraman.
First foul for number 21. Two free throw for Cham. First free throw. No good. Second free throw. No good again. Rebound Bunyo. To number 21. To Dunyo. Number 21. Apo.
Airball, airball.
Sibalyo. Nandiyan pa si Sibalyo, Mr. Sibalyo. Alitre. To Luis Reyes. Rebound to up. Sa green ball. The score is 4-2 in favor of green team. Luis Reyes. No good. Still for Jimenez.
Oy, mga kapatid dyan.
Jimenez. No good. Rebound number 21.
Michael, makikisuyo dyan sa mga kapawgi dyan na sa tabi mo. Baka pwede naman dito sa table.
Number
Mr. Sibalyo.
22. Scoot. Number 22.
Baka naman, sa timer lang.
Score is 4-all.
Huwag ka mag-alala, may biskuit dito. Tsaka,
Pagkain dito, may pagkain. Hindi mo gutom.
sige na, please na.
Jimenez.
Lalaro lang tayo ng tatay.
Alitre. Luis Reyes. The score is 4-all. Jimenez. Two good. Jimenez. 2 point. The score is 6-4.
Kel.
Turne, rebound to Olera. Olera the dribble. Olera. Sa double dribble.
Kasi camera.
Okay.
Sabrap.
Sabi ko, wala pa
Sige, pasok na papasok.
Rep, sab.
Ganda siya, tatakbo na.
Sige, tuloy.
Okay, sige, siyam na. Pagkat-matak mo na, sir. Tanong pa rin. Sige, pwede na. Sige, sino lalabas, sir?
Okay, sige, tuloy. The 22, still for number 0, Diluna. It's 2 points for Diluna. Number 0.
Natakbo ko agad eh. Nakataligod naman kasi kalaban.
Score is 8-4 in favor of green team. 7 minutes and 19 seconds. Number 21. Okay, rebound to number 0. Diluna. Step back.
Sabrap!
Ang laro ba?
Rep, sab.
Bulera out! Anyebas!
Anyebas ni. Salvador the dribble to number 21. Okay, still Reyes to Alitre. Alitre the dribble to Anyebas. No good.
Bayad, para Jim Sarah.
Lobot ulit. Rebound Bulata.
Absent na naman sa Martes tumahan doon. Huli.
Still.
Double.
Dapat nag-hati-hati siya na dapat. Ang dami sa inyo.
Dapat
ang dami sa bro.
Dapat isa na lang.
Sa dark rebound.
Hindi, konti lang din mga dapat yung sama na. Sila
Ito.
sama.
Coutinho. Coutinho the spot. No good. Rebound to Rosario. Almeida. Alita.
Dapat sa kanila mapupunta yung mga ibang player sa amin.
Reyes sa traveling violation.
Hindi na bibigyan ng
Dark rebound.
Dapat sa kanila dapat. Hindi ginawa pa ni
Salvador. Hop, wala. Nakuha rin sa Alitre. It's 2 points for Alitre. 5 minutes and 38 seconds.
Ito laban sa inyo.
The score is 10-4 in favor of Green Team. Number 21, Salvador. Rosario, no good. Rebound number 22.
Hindi yung pulis sa Martes yan.
22, number 3. Rebound dulu. Alitre. Reyes, 2 points for the recipe. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Score is 12-4 in favor of Green Team. Reyes, Alitre. Dilona, it's good. 2 points for the
Case
Luna.
kanina, pinapanood si Marty.
Number 0, 2 points.
Talo kami.
4 minutes and 27 seconds.
Talo.
Score is 14-4 in favor of Green Team.
Send ko sa'yo. Panoorin mo, send ko sa'yo laro bukas. Okay, ma'am. Wala.
Rebound Salvador.
Talo nga. Wala, laos.
Is a green ball.
Wala pang mali.
Side ball.
Pawis na ako.
Okay, sap. Sap.
Si Bato de la
Sino
Rosa.
committee sa Villar? Naglalaro sila ng Polis, nakalit.
Oh, meron.
Sino nag-intro?
Eh wala. Baka sila Paul, sila na rin.
Sila Polis ang kahit.
Carmona to Dilona.
Meron nalibakan mga tao. Napapanood.
Dalawa.
Okay, makakampo. Green ball.
Oh,
Hop. Salamat kay Dilona. Dilona. Bogod. Rebound Bulataw. Oliano. So, 22.
Ano yan?
Red Guzman. Rosario.
Sino yan?
puta ka pa. Madali na ako dito.
Number 16.
Kaso lang nakikita ko.
There's personal foul.
Oo, ito, Ro, di pa kami naglalaro eh. Magkano kami sa... Dumatro pa yata kami.
It's a traveling violation for the Green Team.
Apo din na referee. Awa na. Dapat madami sila. Palit ang kami.
Tayo sa iba pa yun.
Number 22 the dribble for the long player. To number 21. Logo. Rebound sa Bulataw.
Green, pesto.
Dilona the dribble.
Ang lagit. Ang kitap ng ulo ni Aldrin.
Pass to Carbona. Carbona the spot. No good. Rosario. 2 points for Rosario. Number 16. The score is 16-4 in favor of green team. Rebound 2.
Nay, chat na lang muna, malalagot ako. Tagal naka-open yung cellphone ko kanina doon sa laro namin. Ang tagal naka-open yung cellphone ko kanina sa laro namin, hindi ka naman ingay.
Number 13, no good.
Kapanoorin pa maya lang. Pag in-upload na ni... Pag in-upload ni Boss Lee.
Bona. No good. Rebound number 13. Number 22. Number 22. Oh! The same ball.
Sub, rep. Oh, lalabas na wala natin ngayon. Maiwan si sino? Maiwan daw yung walang buhok.
Yung walang buhok.
Wala kang labasan.
May buhok pala sa baba.
Labi. May iwan na naiiba.
May iwan ng bola.
Okay, same ball, same ball.
Sige na. Malulobot ako.
Number 21 to number 22. 2 points. 2 points, right? Number 22, 3 points.
Buta ko narin.
Score is 16-19. 69. In favor of
Malulobot
green
nga ako.
team.
Mamaya pa kami uwi nga na sa 11.
Good. Ayan, Dante. Foul number 30.
Kanina pa ako sa cellphone ko. Mayroon pa lang.
Second free throw. Ayan, Dante.
Iba, na-player din. Iba,
Okay na, number 7.
Pia, may import. Dalawang law.
Second free throw. Second free throw. It's good. 2 points for the under. The score is 18-9 in favor of green team. Number 22.
May killing spot sila.
No good.
Guys, ano?
Okay. Same ball.
Sub, rep.
Oo.
Del Aldrin, number 30 in.
Yes,
Number 1, number 7, Jaworski Bana.
nakapang football.
Cordobes. Cordobes in the dribble. For the green team. Cordobes. Kupana. Oh. Rebound to Judo. Number 20. 1 minute and 33 seconds. In the first quarter. Number 21. Rep. Foul number 15. The time is 1 minute and 26 seconds. 7-10 foul. Number 22. To number 21. 22 red. Shot. No good. Rebound Bulataw. Oh, rebound to the Nante. Number 20. Pass break to Cordobes. Cordobes. No good. Bali, Cordobes. Cordobes. No good. Rebound to number 22. Number 22. Look. Foul Bana.
Si Marvin lang yung mag-aano diyan. Wala.
The time is 54 seconds. The score is 18-9. Favor of green team. Number 22. Oh, good. Rebound to 22. Bana.
Bon, big side.
Dark trail ball. Number 21. Number 22. Number 21 again. Number 22. No. That's 3 ball. 34 seconds.
Wala nang oras. Eh, tira na mo sa ira na.
Score is 18-9. Favor of green team. Gomez. Dolera. Dolera on the spot. No good. Rebound to Pulata. Tudinyo. Oh, Bana.
Oh.
Oh. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Score 18-9. Okay. Effective. Number 22.
Kaya nga, nagpalit ng ano. Ba't nandito
Number 22 again. Green ball, green ball.
third quarter na? Woo! Ikaw, third quarter na ba? Ay, ba't nandito? Boy!
Second quarter pa lang.
Boy!
Wala palit ng court.
Nagkapalit! Ulit! Second quarter pa lang!
Second quarter na tayo, second quarter.
Okay, green ball dito, hindi pa tayo change court eh. First half pa lang tayo eh. Second half change court. Dito tayo green. Dito ang green. Green ball.
Green ball. Green ball. At gulo mo. Okay. Sige. Tuloy na. Green ball. Late red. Hindi doon.
Wait.
Astro, no good. Rosario, no good. Number 30 dito. Number 17. Still for Rosario. Rosario, no good. Standard grade. Number 22. Number 22, Rodrigo.
Third quarter dito ulit. Patay.
Oh, that's the green ball.
Ay, isang quarter yata, palit.
Alitre. Alitre the dribble. Pass to Rosario. Idris Reyes, 2 points for Idris Reyes. For the green team. The score is 29.
Hirap-hirap si Ipoy sa
In
loob ng
favor of
nakaraan.
green team.
Malaki din naman naman.
8 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 21. Logo. Number 22. Corona, the dribble, the spot, logo, rebound number 30. Turnik. Number 30. Double. Walang tulakan ha. Laro lang. 22, 21, no good. Rebound Rosario. Castro.
Nakakalito rin to. Wala po ang kulay yun.
Castro. Alitre the dribble. Pass to De Luna. 9 seconds. De Los Reyes, no good. Rebound to number 22. Number 22. Number 22 to the green ball. 7 minutes and 38 seconds. The score is 29 in favor of green team. Diluna. Diluna the dribble. Up. Tempo. And 22. Rosario. Rosario the dribble. Up. Tempo to Torre. Torre the dribble. Number 17.
Patay.
Oh, Roberti is good. Rep.
Ginawang
Limahan.
Ginawang lima.
Okay, reps up.
O, yan lang. Ano yan pala yung Nermon?
Pilansky in, Pilansky in.
Sub, rep, sub. Alitre out.
Okay, Dark Raven. Number 22. Dos Reyes to Diluna. Diluna the dribble. Diluna, number 20. Diluna at the spot. No good. Rebound number 30. Of the Dark Raven.
Uy, bakit?
Number 22. Red 3 point. Number 22 3 point. From the Dark Raven. The score is 20-14 in favor of green team. 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Perez, Lugot, rebound number 21. Up,
Oh, meron ba?
Lensky,
Wala.
number 21.
Ngayon pulutan na lang i-kukup.
Perez,
Wala lang muna pulutan.
Jimenez. Okay, Dark Raven. Reps up, rep. Rosario out, Nevas in.
Ingitin lang natin si Biboy.
Ay na, may punta si Boy.
Boy!
Number 22.
Punta kay
Boy!
Number 22 to number 30. Number 30 is Lugot, Poklansky. Poklansky to number 21. Poklansky in the spot. Lugot. Rebound to Los Reyes. Diluna.
Anim na ano.
Jimenez.
Aba, inspired yan.
Lugot. Rebound to Talansky. Talansky. Up. Still for Jimenez. Jimenez. Lugot. Rebound number 22.
Balik siya. oh.
To Talansky.
Oh.
Lugot. Number 21 rebound. Scoop. Number
Laro na si
21.
Engineer mo doon.
Apat na.
Sige, tuloy. Diluna to Los Reyes. To Anevas.
Day-off na naman si Marvin.
Rebound number 30.
Yo, tira na.
To number 30 and plus 5. No good. Green ball.
Time out, green.
Nagkalangan na tayo kanina ganong mga foul trouble namin.
Kaya nga eh, walang.
Si Ipe, si Rere.
Baka Paul ko eh, puro vertical lang tanong ko eh.
Wala nga mga tao, wala sa hulog ko. Dalawang ball ka, wala sa loob na dalawang ball.
Reyes, 2 points for the result.
Wala hindi magawa ni Ipe nung game nila.
4 minutes and 33 seconds. Score is 22-16 in favor of green team.
Si Marvin hindi.
22.
Patay na naman.
Oh, 3 point. Number 22.
Marvin lang ang ano dyan eh. Dapat easy sila. Walang labasan nila.
Naninig si Marvin ano, bakit ka kampiyon?
Oh.
Narinig mo, bakit nila namin ako?
Castro. Castro, no good. Tuanibas. Number 13.
Antay.
Tira nyo!
Number 22. Paul Diluna.
Marvin, best player.
Buti matagal pa laro natin. Masarap dito.
22. Good.
Stop, ref.
Reps up. Diluna out. Alitre in. Castro out. Valera in. The score is 22-19 in favor of green team. After 22. Valera.
Uy, huwag ka dyan.
Lebas. 2 points para Lebas.
Lumarang ako, di.
Hindi nakita na yan.
Lawit ang dila.
Ano, hindi ka na nadala sa boot ko.
Number 22 on the dribble.
Sa day of time ulit.
Tapos. Rebound to the Reyes.
Kasi
To Reyes.
kapasipag nito.
To Alitre. Alitre. Jimenez. Lera. Scoop. 2 points para Lera. Eric. Itakin mo yung ano mo.
Ha?
Number 22. Number 22 on the dribble. Number 22 3-point. 2 minutes and 52 seconds.
Manigo si Marvin.
The score is 26-22 in favor of Green Team.
Apat na.
Rivas to Jimenez for the Green Team. Jimenez. Tama. To the Reyes. No good. Rebound Bulataw. To number 9. Number 22. 22. Number 30. Number 22.
Pare, pasahan natin.
6.
Double dribble.
Okay, red flag. Onyok out. Talansky in. Jimenez. Jimenez on the dribble. Jimenez. For the green team, to Rivas. Alitre. Oh, good. Rebound number 30 up. Sa traveling violation.
Paulan.
Alitre, Hilera. 2 points for Hilera. 1 minute and 37 seconds.
Itong nanaw siya para
Number 22,
dito Rex nakakapagalaw siya.
to Talansky. Talansky, the spot. No good. Rebound to the Reyes. Hilera to the rebound. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Alitre. To Anebas. Anebas. No good. Rebound number 3. 1 minute and
Penalty.
Nakakawilip na naman to.
score is 28-23.
Nakakawilip na naman.
Green team.
Nakakawilip na naman, malalabasan eh.
57 seconds.
Aba, nakakapat na 3 points na.
Bunyo.
Ay,
To Talansky. Talansky the spot. So good.
Nakakadla ko na naman
Another.
sa Mortis.
Sino ang sponsor nito?
Dunyo, Talaski. Talaski at the spot. Tobot. Rebound to Alitre. Alitre. Dribble, Alitre. To Anebas. Anebas. Tobot. Rebound number 22. Number 22. Talaski. Talaski at the spot. No good. Number 23 up. Rep. Rep. Okay. Violation.
Sa malo, nakaldad.
20 seconds. 19. 17 seconds. Alitre. Tugot. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ay, masayista sana eh. Para kay, bebe ko.
Dong,
Dito ka.
dito ka.
Nakabulin pa ano.
Tatakbo siya.
Parang napanood ko na yung ano yun.
Yung announcer ihabol din parang rin.
Please ball.
Yung announcer nung pagkain ko na, yung unano ah.
Wow.
Gray ball.
Ayaw pa ka doon. YouTube ba pa?
Mali nga kasi posisyon kanina. Dapat to.
Dapat kasi ang green dito nagpapashoot. Ang play kanina dito. Para pag gano'n na, dito na kayo.
Sa atin lang.
Ay, nabot ko na eh.
Oo.
Senyado.
Castaneda.
Tolong chance. 1, 2, 3. No good.
Castaneda.
Rebound the ball. Is the ball simple?
Kita lang kaya eh.
Puro kayo dito.
28-23 our score.
Di tayo dikit.
Led by the great team. Is still a version. Bring it down on the ball. Cross pass. De Luna attack on the Imperial. Part of the ball. Basketball 2.
Announcer.
Is Gazzanieda. Dribbling the basketball. Is screen. Attack. There's always a blow. Block about the number 0. De Luna pick up base. De Luna. Second personal foul, first team foul. It's Mark Benny on the ball. He loses the ball still. De Luna. Attack basketball 2. It's Flores, top of the key, fires, no good. It's rebound, pass to Luna. It's a little drop, so no good. Rosario, put back, pick up, no good again. Attack, no good again.
Ano kalaban natin pare?
Sky blue.
3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation.
Ay, naglalaro ko ulit.
Wala yun. Ginawagan.
It's dropped, he loses the ball, is still, pass to De Luna, bring it out of basketball, De Luna lays up the ball, basketball 2. It's Olecano, dribbling the basketball, harassed by two defenders there, he loses the ball, pick up the ball by himself, looking for a teammate, pass to Flores, on the top of the key, drop. Ball number 30, off the board, basketball 2. Luna good. Raise the design, looking for the gate. Pass to Rosario, attack on the defense, no good.
Hindi kinuha.
Rebound. Pass to Alitre. Top of the K. Fires, no good. Rebound the ball.
Ano eh, power rebound yung dami ah.
Takong quality. What a hustle move. There's the jump ball.
Green ball.
Who's ball, right?
Dito.
Right ball.
Goal.
It's the Ataman de Pilla, looking for the man. Pass to pass with number 30, stepping Curry. Players, no good. Rebound Rosario. Save the ball. Same ball. Great ball.
Tubo. Tubo. Tubo.
Is Olegiano. Dribbling the basketball, looking for teammate. Passes to number 30. At top, fires, no, too strong. Put back, black shot. There's a whistle blow. Ball to number 8. Safety. Oh, number 16. It's second personal foul, second team foul to free throw.
No looking back.
It's power rebound again. It's Alitre on the move, but Tangon de Imperial lays on basket for two. What a rebound, what a assist. It's Olegiano, aras by two defender. Olegiano natabunan. Pinatuna lang, still. It's pick up. On the move, but back, drop, lays, no good, rebound by Alitre. He lost the ball. Nice defense by Mr. Flores. It's Olegiano. Blocking foul by number 13, pick up base. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Balik ka ano ba?
Flores inbound the ball. Oh, it's a backward violation. Butas sa kamay.
Balik ka. Hindi ka din naman
It's Deluna. Dribbling the basketball. Back shot. It's Alitre. Lose the ball. He lose the ball. He's still. Jump ball.
Green ball.
Agaw na yan.
Kaya pa. Es Castañeda. Attack on the Imperial. Drop. Bulatay. No good.
Money.
It's time out! To breakthrough, Bulatay.
Mr. Kulataw, pakitak naman ng ano, yung set. Thank you.
Sinira mo na naman ng momentum. Itira na eh. Too strong. Lugi, kakampi sa green. Iyo. It's Galera. Attack on the billiard. Drop Castro. Fires no good.
Yung, tapos itong
Oh.
green, di
Kick the ball. Save ball.
Ano, war muna, hindi na ako tako.
Olegiano.
Scoring machine.
It's Galera. Aras Bumani better. Drop. De Los Reyes. Pass to Castro. No good. Go De Los Reyes. No. He loses the ball. Same ball. 8 seconds. Oh, 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Tumingin pa.
Kaya tayong coach nila siya.
4 minutes and 10 seconds ready to go clock. Hold on for 2. It's Galera. Dribbling. Pass to Anyebas. Step of the key. No good. Short. It's Salvador bringing down the ball and has been one defender for Castro. Rocky. Pass to Ligano. Dribbling the basketball. Pass to Junior. Attack on the day. Oh, back shot. Rebound by himself. Fires again. No good. Rebound the ball. Is De Los Reyes bringing down the basketball. Pass to number 3, fires, no good. Rebound by Castro, looking for teammate. To Galera. Fires, basket for 2. It's Salvador. Takes a great bounce pass. Wala tayo first. Basket for 2. Who's ball rep? Same ball. It's referee decision. It's Galera. Check the shot clock. No good. El Salvador, bring it down. Aras by the defender, looking for him and lose the ball. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes and the second, third quarter of action. It's the ball pass to Castro. Top of the key, fires, no good, rebound line. Galera, drop. Anyebas fires, no good. Rebound the ball by Alcano. Alcano grab the ball. Pass to Castaneda. Dribbling the basketball. Attack on the Imperial defense. Fires, lays up, robotic shot, no good. It's rebound the ball. Galera, close up the move. Attack, drop. Anyebas fires. Easy, 2 points.
Time out.
1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in the game clock. For the ball down to 1 hour score. Fires, no good. Time out. 20. Olicano tried to 3. No good. Oh. Nice defense, but he got the foul. Foul to number 20. Big side. Pick up his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. It's 54 seconds remaining on the game clock. Bounce pass. Castaneda fires. Basket for 2. What a move. 40 seconds. It's Carmona. Pass to Jason. Attack to 3, no. Rebound the ball by Big Sai. It's Tubana. Yes. Black shot. It's Alegano.
Good.
Kailangan tayo, hindi napasok kasi sila bawat sila big side.
Out of bounds, save ball. 30 seconds in the game clock. 10 seconds. It's Salvador, dribbling the basketball. 4 seconds.
Kalaban mo pala! Wala silang side.
Magat sila. Change score na naman. Uy, green dito.
Tapos pa. Tapos pa.
Hindi na. Play na ito. Uy, baliktad na naman ah.
It's Tudo. Looking for teammate.
Oh!
Oh,
Pass Alegano. Play.
baliktad ulit, baliktad.
Bounce pass, Flores. He lose the ball.
Baliktad.
Baliktad na yung court niya!
Ay, baliktad.
Ulit! Yung dapat ang bola. Alam niya. Baliktad ang court.
Kada quarter, nagpapalit lang ano, court ah.
Unang
Nakaplay na,
shoot
nakaplay.
yun, edi.
Puto.
Score sa kabila.
Ang gulo kasi.
Oh, munto po ano.
Luna, two drops, no good. Rebound the ball, went up at 30. Was bringing down, looking for a teammate. Pass to Castaneda. Is in the basketball, is the ball pass to Olecano. Dribbling on the half court, Olecano. 23, no. Onyok!
Magkaiba na sapatos.
What a shot! Takbong nagmamadali. Es de Luna, drop! Carmona, top of the key, try! 4-3!
Bawi yan.
It's Olegano, dribbling the basketball. At the top of the key, no good. Baseball pass by the safety on the move, dribbling the basketball. There's always a goal back power number 22, Olegano for the base. First personal foul, first team foul. Graduate.
Hindi naman ipapalik yung tawag eh.
Enes, dribbling the basketball. Pass to the Luna, defend the boot line, drop. Fires, basketball through. It's Olegano. Caution pass, Castaneda on the move. Same cycling attack on the defense. That's a whistle blow. Foul number 8, safety.
Player si Moore.
Player.
Bumaba ang iyong kamay.
Hindi lang naglalaro. Okay na.
Share yung mga usap.
Pero may pulo na niya upload dito, orange. Hati-hati tayo. Hati sa...
Tiyat ka ba? Gagawin lang.
It's the Luna.
Doon sila alam mo
Moving
eh.
basketball.
Ayaw seryosohin
Pass by Flores. Nice defense.
ni Marvin eh.
Nice defense by Mr. Flores. Nice fake. Small pass. Castaneda. Fake pass. No. To number 30. Third drops again. No good. Rebound the ball by Jason. Baseball pass. Sumobra na. Is the Luna. Oh, Jason. No. Rebound the ball away. Nuno. Is Castaneda on the move, but back on the day. There's a whistle blow again. Foul by number 0, the Luna Philippines. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Marvin,
Junior rin eh.
kakaunti lang ang lamang.
Kapatid ni Foreman.
Kakaunti ang lamang.
Junior. Sino free throw? Eh, kahit talagang
Kahit.
uniform yan. Talangka, din sabihin mo talangka.
It's Jason to the Luna. Pass to Rosario. Pass to safety. Ayan na! It's Flores. Dribbling the basketball. Flores. Big pass to Ligiano. Players, no. Play on the ball. The Luna. To Jason. Takes Sagi. Ooh. What a pass one. Oh. Again, still. The Luna.
Tira.
Dribbling the basketball. Attack on the period rock. Rosario fires. Does it with the blow.
Ngayon ko lang, konti sa'yo.
Over level 21, Dunyo.
Sama nila rin sa ano.
Pick up the second personal foul. Dunyo. Hindi. Substitution. Jason out. A littering on the floor.
Ano pa rin.
Who's ball right? Same ball. De Los Reyes. Ayan na. Patay ka. Rebound by the ball by Dante at the fires. No good. Rebound the ball by number 30. Looking for teammate Paso Licano. Maybe the basketball twing it now. At the hot spot. Hesitate, crossword pass, and there's a block shot.
Naabot.
Green ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock.
Hindi na.
It's De Luna holding the basketball. De Luna attack on the Imperial drop. De Los. Oh, he stepped in the line. Substitution. Safety out. Patay na, no good. It's De Luna. Behind the back dribbling. Oh, there's a double dribbling. Baka mawala ng malay yan, ah. Up to Ducha. It's Dunya. Looking pass to number 30. Pass to Onyo. Fires. No. Substitution. Flores out. Wala pa naman stretcher dito. Salvador Flores no good. About the ball by himself. Save the ball by himself, but by himself. It's the Luna. Pass to De Los Reyes. Looking for the mate. Pass to De Luna. Attack on the Imperial. Hesitate. Fires up. No good. Got the ball. Pick up the ball by Salvador. Oh. Looking for the mate. Pass to Duno. Pass to Licano. It's dribbling the basketball. Licano on the move. Arras by one defender. It's screen. Fires for three. Basket for three.
Oh, wawalo na.
49-41 our score. 8-point lead with the green team. It's 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining the game clock. The Luna looking for the mate. Pass to Litre. Dribbling the basketball. Rush pass. Rosario. Attack. No. Wave on the ball. Veligiano. Pass to Duno on the move. Running attack on the Imperial. Drop to Duno. Pass. Basket to Duno. Communication by the Pros.
Anim. Aras.
6-point lead. It's Galera. Fake top. Pass to the Luna. Fake. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Attack on the Imperial. Ace. Basket for two. Here's Ligano, dribbling the basketball, looking for teammate, pass to Duno, fake pass, looking for teammate, pass to Ligano again on the move, attack on the Imperial, fake, oh, there's always a ball, foul by number 7 of the Luna, pick a base, third personal foul, 13 foul. Penalty ba, penalty? De Luna. Ayan sa Ligiano. Turo nyo, one for graduate De Luna. It's Duno attack on the Imperial. There's a whistle blow. Hand check pa ba number 16? Rosario, big base. Substitution, De Luna. It's with the basketball. Looking for teammates. Side and drop. Attack. Basket to go. Please. Good team mga penalty situation.
Lima na lang.
Uy, lilima lang yan, boy. Kaya, sinusunod mo. Lilima lang ako.
Rosario. Let's pick up the ball. Duno attack on the Imperial. Fires. No. There's always a blow. Foul for number 3. Let's pick up his penalty. Warning, De Luna and Rosario. For graduate. First strike connect. Keep to up 45. Or 26, our score. Second try, no good to go by Litre. That's Tafati on the move, Litre. Pass to Galera, drop, fires, basket for two. What a communication by Galera and Litre. It's Salvador bringing down the basketball. Here's Salvador. Signal the play. Looking for teammate. There's a whistle ball.
Penalty.
And foul by number 23, Litre pick a base.
Oh, tupan.
Isa pa ho.
Irerinen.
Sarap pulutan, mga adobong bitukan, iba mo.
2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Wala dito.
Papadala si Rerin kaya na.
Score is
Ginagawa, ako kahit isa wala. No? Ba't kaya?
Favor of Green Team.
Tinatapon siguro.
Ay,
Punta po ano.
Foul number 16. Is foul, right? Oh, number 1. Galera, fingerprints. First strike, connect. Second try, no good, the ball by Rosario.
Pass to ulit.
Ulit, man. Tumasok mo.
Wala, napuputol to.
Jimenez. Drop. Galera. De Los Reyes on the ball. Batakan na din. Foul, gonna be Dunyo.
Tataw.
It's Jason. Players. Last 4 minutes.
Bawi, bawi.
It's saved the ball, Rosario. It's Alitre on the move. 3 versus 1. Pass to Galera. Big pass, attack. Alitre. Release. No good. Put back. No good again. There's a baseball pass. Olekiano. Oh, Istanbul ka dyan.
Stop ball.
It's penalty.
Dating pa tayong malakas na player.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Sa atin ba yun? Sa atin ba yun?
Bilal.
At saka, si ano sa atin? Kama yun, no?
Score.
Okay, papalit sa akin yun.
Pauwi ka, no? Haabot ka pa dyan. Baka mga 2 laro lang. Dito ko na naman.
Goal para ba Rosario.
5-6.
Mula na naman si Dua. 1 minute. Ito good block. Alitre. Looking for the mate pass to Jimenez. It's Jason. The top of the game. Paras by one defender. Crossover move. Pass to Pay. Attack on the Imperia. Pass to Alitre. Alitre at the top of the game.
Wala na. Lumaki na naman ang lamang.
Wala pa rin talo yan. Green, ano?
Wala pa.
Baka na yung magkakarap-harap sa dulo. Inom niya na stress top. Inom na stress top.
Same ball. Time out! Jimenez. Tia post.
Pasok pitong.
Hindi na Kyle. Para matapos na.
It's Alitre. Crossword pass. Galera fire. Pass to pass. Pass to for 2. It's Onyo. Iyan! Oh, Aramo!
Oras na.
8 seconds. Pasa kay Onyo. Nagagawa mo.